Hey everyone, David Sod here from Skyjems.ca. Thank you all so much for joining me. I have on the turntable a lovely lot of pairs for you. This is fantastic for beginners and people who are reselling or manufacturing earrings to resell. This is a great lot because although I can't really discount a single pair of Peridot or garnet or aquamarine or emerald enough for my customers who are on this smaller scale to buy at a true wholesale price, this is an option for you to buy it at a wholesale price without having to buy 20 or 30 stones or 100 stones of any specific size to get that pricing. As the stones are going around on the turntable, you can see the quality is generally quite nice. We did want to use a little bit better stones for this. They're not all AAA gem quality goods. You see the emeralds now. Obviously, you can't have, just a pair of gem quality emeralds would be more than the entire lot by 10 times. But we've tried to use good quality merchandise, and if you are looking at the listing, you see that there's many pairs in this lot that just the single pair, if you make it up into a pair of earrings, or even if you're just selling them one by one in a retail setting, you can absolutely make your money back from a single pair in here. So for example, we list on the website what the MSRP is of these gems in a retail setting, and you'll see that a number of them are actually higher or very close to the total value of the entire parcel. So you've had a bit of a look at what the gems look like on the turntable. I'm going to show you how they will come packaged to you. So here's a very quick look at what it will look like. So you're going to get these bags. There's going to be 10 of them in total. It'll say pairs lot, bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, bag 4 through 10. We'll have the millimeter size, shape, and gem type, then the approximate carat weight, the origin, and treatment. I have the MSRP noted on the website, but I did not note it on these packages because many people would want to be selling for more, and it's not really my business to tell you exactly how much to sell your goods for. So I'm just going to zoom out a little bit. You can take a look at what these look like here. You can see it's a great lot, right? So here's some more of the pink tourmalines. This is another bag of opals. You can see the opal quality is very nice on these. These emeralds, I mean, like I said, these aren't gem quality emeralds, but for the price of them, even at the $300 MSRP, your customers would be getting a very good value for these gems. Bag 4 is these Aquamarine, these oval aquamarines. You saw them on the, this is the 7x5 oval aquas. There's both 7x5 and 6x4 aquas. Here's some blue topaz. Lovely 8x6 blue topaz. And these 9x7 citrine. This is these set up incredibly well. Take a look at these. Nice cutting on them, clean stones, good color. This, the value on this is incredible. If you purchased the previous lot, you know that these are a good value. This lot's a little bit more expensive, but I feel that although this lot is more money, it's a much better value, and there's more money to be made on this lot for you. Lovely amethyst, kind of that classic pinky Brazilian purple to them. And then the last bag here, we have, this is the 6x4 millimeter aquas. So lovely material, a lot of money on the table for people who are reselling. And even if you're not reselling, you're buying this just for your own collection, starting out a collection, this is a heck of a way to do it. You get a lot of stones, beautiful merchandise for really not a lot of money. It's a lovely gift as well. Anybody who does like gems and likes jewelry and likes making jewelry would just go head over heels at getting these. So you could be a real hero for, you know, not cheap, but definitely not a lot of money invested for this quality of gems and this many gems paired up for you. Thank you all so much for watching. Have yourself a great day, and don't forget to tell your friends about skygems.ca. Bye for now.